Hey guys, welcome to Etherworld. Is the second example of how to interact with MetaMask snaps. We will take the example of Filecoin Snap. Filecoin Snap is developed in collaboration with Protocol Labs and ChainSnap. So if you want to see the first example, click on the I button or check out the link in description. And also if you don't know what is MetaMask Snap or MetaMask Flask or how to join MetaMask Flask, check out the link in description or see the I button. Let's first click on connect to MetaMask. A notification will pop up. Click on connect. A new notification will pop up. Now you can see the Snap is requesting for the following permissions: access the internet, display a confirmation in MetaMask, and manage your testnet network keys and manage your Filecoin keys and store and manage its data on your device. But in the first example, it was only displaying a confirmation in MetaMask. Now click on approve and install. Check the box. Click on approve and install. Now we are directed to Filsnap demo. Now if we go to our MetaMask Flask, we can see that Filsnap is running. Now we will sign a custom message. Write hello world. Click on sign. Here we can see that do you want to sign this message, and it will be signed with this address. So if we click on approve, we can see that our message is signed and this is the signature of our message. So thank you. If you have any other questions, please let us know in comments. We will cover that in a Q&A series.